Sometimes a single sentence spoken in anger can last longer than the anger itself. It can stay in someone's heart like a scar. This is a story about why we must be careful with our words, even on our worst days. Lena was known as a calm and kind girl. She usually spoke softly, listened carefully, and tried to understand people. But even calm people have difficult days, and sometimes a difficult day can change everything. One cold morning, Lena woke up late. Her alarm did not ring because she forgot to charge her phone. She rushed through her small apartment, trying to find her shoes, her keys, and her bag. Nothing was where she left it. The more she searched, the more stressed she became. Finally, she grabbed her things and ran outside to catch the bus. But when she reached the bus stop, she saw the bus leaving. She waved, but it was too late. The bus didn't stop. Lena felt her heart drop. Now she would be late for work. She walked fast, almost running, trying to calm her breathing. She kept telling herself, "It's okay, you'll be fine." But inside, she felt angry, frustrated, and tired. At work, her coworker Tom smiled and said, "Good morning, Lena." Tom was always friendly. He liked to make jokes and talk about the news. But today, Lena had no patience for talking. Tom looked at her messy hair and said gently, "Rough morning?" It was a simple question, but Lena's anger exploded. She snapped, "Why do you always have to ask stupid questions? Can't you just mind your own business?" Tom froze. His smile disappeared. His eyes filled with confusion and a little hurt. He stepped back and said quietly, I'm sorry. I didn't mean anything bad." But Lena didn't care. She was still burning inside. She walked to her desk and started typing angrily, her hands shaking. For the rest of the morning, the office felt different. Usually Tom talked and laughed with everyone. But today he stayed quiet. He kept looking at his computer. He didn't greet anyone else. His shoulders were low and he avoided Lena's eyes. At lunchtime, Lena sat alone. Her anger was slowly fading. She didn't feel hot or frustrated anymore. Instead, she felt heavy. She remembered the words she said. They replayed in her mind like an echo. Stupid questions. Mind your own business. She thought about Tom's face when she said it. The shock. The hurt. Her stomach tightened. She realized something painful. Her anger was gone, but her mean words stayed. Lena sighed. She didn't want to be a person who hurt others. She didn't want her words to leave scars, but she felt shy and nervous to apologize. What if Tom didn't want to talk to her anymore? After lunch, she walked to his desk. He looked up, surprised. "Tom," she said softly, "can we talk?" He nodded slowly. Lena swallowed. "I'm really sorry for what I said this morning. I wasn't angry at you. I was angry at everything. I woke up late, missed my bus, and I was frustrated. But that's not an excuse. I spoke to you in a mean way. You didn't deserve that." Tom looked at her for a moment. Then he smiled, but the smile was small, not like his usual big one. "It's okay," he said. "I know people have bad days. I didn't expect it from you." Those words hurt Lena more than she expected. She realized that kindness can build trust slowly, but a single sharp sentence can break it quickly. "I'll earn back your trust," she said honestly. "I promise I will be more careful with my words." Tom nodded. "Thank you. I appreciate the apology." For the rest of the afternoon, things were a little better. Tom talked a little. Lena listened more. The atmosphere was lighter, but not quite the same. Healing takes time. That evening, when Lena walked home, she thought deeply about the day. The cold wind touched her face, but she hardly felt it. Her mind replayed everything, from the moment she woke up late to the moment she saw hurt in Tom's eyes. She understood something important. People may forget the reason you were angry. People may forget what made you shout, but they never forget how your words made them feel. The next morning, Lena woke up early. She made breakfast, cleaned her apartment, and reached work with a calm mind. When she saw Tom, she smiled first and said, "Good morning."
This time, Tom smiled back, a real smile. And slowly, day by day, their friendship returned to normal, maybe even stronger. Because now, Lena was more aware. She didn't speak quickly when she was upset. She learned to breathe, to pause, to think before speaking. One day, Tom joked, "You've become very patient lately." Lena laughed. "I learned my lesson." He nodded. "Words matter, right?" She smiled. "More than we think." Moral of the story: anger comes and goes, but words stay. Be careful with what you say, even on hard days, because hurtful words can stay in someone's heart for life.